Let's see how we are going to solve this psychogeometry problem. So now in this question, the question said line PQ is a diameter. In this question, this line PQ is a diameter. So we want to find QNM. QNM. So, and we are given PQM, which is 63 degrees. So now for the fact that they said PQ is a diameter, so definitely we have this has a this is very important. That is why they put it there. So now from there, what are we going to do? The QNM that they asked us to find, this place, QNM, we want to know this angle here. Now, what are we going to do? And we are giving just one, what is it called? One angle here. So how are we going to get this one now? So now I would like you to stay focused and see what we are going to do. If you are just watching this video for the first time, please, you are just watching my video for the first time, please consider to follow, right? Then help us to share this so many people can learn from this, right? So thank you. So now from here, since we have this line to be diameter, so it means it cuts this circle into two equal halves. So we have going to be having this angle M here to be what? To be 90 degrees. So therefore we have PMQ to be what? To be 90 degrees. The reason is angle inscribed in what? In a semicircle. Right? That is the reason why this is 90 degrees. So now it's very simple. Now the next thing we are going to do is that let us check what will be the angle here, because if we know what this angle here, this angle, if you know what it is, definitely it will be this, right? Let's see. Since this is 90 degree, this is 63 degree. So if you want to know QPM, which is this, will be equals to 180 degree minus the 90, then plus 63, because I want to know what this angle is. So definitely I'm going to add this and this together and remove it from 180. So I'm going to have 180 degrees minus 90 degrees minus 63 degrees. So now 180 minus 90, that will give us 90, then minus 63, that will give us 27 degrees. So we have QPM to be 27 degrees. So therefore what we are saying is this angle here is now what? Is now 27. So if this angle is 27 degrees, so the angle we are looking for is QNM. So now since this place is 27, now place your hand there. Can you see now? You can see you have a way that leads you to N. So which means angle in the same segment. QPM is equal to QNM, which is equal to 27 degrees. So now the reason is that angle in the same what? In the same segments are equal. Do you understand what I'm saying? So therefore the angle we are looking for, which is QNM, will be equal to what? 27 degrees. And that's the solution to the problem. If you enjoyed this class, kindly share to your colleagues. Follow our Facebook page for more exciting videos. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more educational content like this. Bye bye.